Squarespace makes it super easy to create your own link in bio page in the style of Linktree and all the other link in bio websites that are out there. This is super useful if you want to provide your Instagram followers or followers from any other social media platform a fully branded experience. But in order to get that functionality, you have to have a paid Squarespace website. But if you're just getting started, then you might not be ready to invest in a website for your business just yet. That doesn't mean that you have to give up a link in bio site. In fact, Squarespace has a free tool called Bio Sites that allows you to create a completely branded, beautiful link in bio website and publish it for free. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually use it and how to create a beautiful link in bio site with Squarespace for free. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana Lea. I'm the owner behind Lea Design Studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates and websites for small business owners like you. And here on this channel, I share tech and Squarespace tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that is something that interests you, hit that subscribe button. And now, without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. To get started, you are going to go to biosites.com and then you're going to click this button that says create a free bio site. This will bring you to the editor where you can claim your free username. So I'm going to type in my name and then I'm going to press the arrow. Now it'll ask you to create your account if you don't have a Squarespace account, but don't worry, this is completely free. You can use your Google account to log in, your Apple account, or with your email. I'm going to log in because I already have a Squarespace account. As you can see, I already have a bio site created, but I'm going to show you how you can customize this and make it your own. So the first thing that you'll notice here on the left hand side is your profile, and it'll ask you to upload some images that will be displayed at the top of your bio site. I uploaded my image and an image that showcases my templates. You can upload whatever best represents your business. You can also enter your name right here and how you want it to be displayed, and also a brief description of what they can expect when they follow you. And this is where you can also customize your bio site URL. So if I wanted to change this to display my name, this is where I could change that. And this is also where you can select the visibility of your bio site. So it can be public or private, which means that it'll be only visible to you. After that, you can choose from several design options that you have here. You have minimal styles, and this is what each of them looks like. Then you have creative. And again, you're free to choose whichever one you want. And then there are bold styles, which look like this and are slightly more dynamic. So I'm going to go with the minimal, and I'm going to stick with the design I originally chose because I happen to like that one best. Once you've customized that, the next step is to select which sections you want to show on your link in bio. I enabled the social section, and if you click on the icons here, then you can choose which social media icons you want to display. I have Instagram and YouTube, but you can also choose Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitch, Spotify, Pinterest, whichever social media platform you're using, you can add it here. Then I have the link section, which links to my workshop, my templates, and my services page, as well as my website prep system. But you can also add more links. So all you have to do is enter a link on your website, if you have it, or if not, you can link to whatever other link on the web you want. And this is where you can choose how you want the links to display. So right now we have buttons, which allows us to also upload an image for each of these to make it more visually distinctive. Then basically these are just different variations that they offer. Then you have these cards options, which just gives you more visibility if you have images uploaded to your links. And then you have the advanced option, which looks like this. So it is entirely up to you how you want to display them. Personally, I am a fan of the button look, so I'm going to stick with that one. The next option is where you can choose the colors for your bio site and a theme for it. So you have the option to choose a light theme, like that. There are several pre-made color schemes that you can use. Then they have dark options, like that, animated options, and then a custom theme where you can basically select your own color for the text, the button background and the button text. And it'll also give you the option to generate colors from your image. So I'm going to select the button background to be white. And then for the text, I'm going to set it to black. And then for the site background, I'm just going to type in a color code like so. And then for the text, again, I'm going to set it to a darker color so we can see. You can also choose fonts that you want to use, and there are several options available. Then under analytics, you'll be able to see which links are getting the most clicks. And you can also add pixel tracking from Google or Facebook or TikTok or anything like that. And then here under payment provider, you can take payments on your link in bio. And you'll need to connect your payment provider, so either Stripe or PayPal, to be able to do that. And then you can either add a locked link. So if you have content that you want people to pay for, this is where you would add those links. You can also add a tips section so that your followers can leave you tips. Or if you want to collect money for a specific cause, then you can add a crowdfunding section and collect donations. And then finally, under audience is basically where you can add a mailing section and start collecting subscribers for your email list. And you can offer them a free gift, or just if you don't have anything in the works, you can just let them know to sign up for a waitlist for something or just stay up to date. Then here under settings is where you can change the language of your bio site, toggle on the dark mode for the editor, access support, and see the terms of use and privacy policy for it. A few additional options that you have is you can add a text box and basically leave a message for your followers. You can link your Instagram feed or TikTok feed. You can also add Spotify or Apple Music or SoundCloud, YouTube or Vimeo to your link in bio. And you can also add posts from Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, Telegram, and Pinterest. So those are the options that you have for creating a bio site with Squarespace. And this is a great option if you're just getting started and want an easy way to send people to other areas online where you might have an online presence. And that's how you can use the bio sites to create a link in bio site with Squarespace. But if you already have a Squarespace website and you're interested in how to create your very own link in bio, I have a separate tutorial that walks you through that, so definitely give that a watch. And if you want to learn how to create a client-winning site yourself, I have a free training called 5 Secrets of Client-Winning Websites that I'll link to in the description below, so definitely give that a watch. And thank you for being here, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.